In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Asana projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to share projects with teammates, manage permissions correctly, invite collaborators, and assign tasks so your team can stay organized and work together more efficiently. To begin, open your browser and go to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google if that's the method you normally use. Then select your Google account to access your workspace quickly and securely. If your organization uses another sign-in method, simply follow your regular login process until you arrive at your Asana dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, open the project you want to collaborate on. This is the workspace you'll be sharing with your teammates so they can participate in discussions, review updates, and contribute to tasks directly within the project. After opening the project, locate the Share button near the top right corner of the screen and click it to open the Sharing Settings panel. This area allows you to control who can access the project and what level of permissions each person will receive. Inside the Sharing panel, you'll usually see a permission setting that may already be set to Editor by default. Click on the permission label to open the drop-down menu and review the available access levels. Each permission type is designed for a different role within the team, so choosing the correct one helps maintain both organization and security. Project Admin gives full control over the project, including settings, membership management, and advanced configuration options. This level should generally be reserved for project leads or managers. Editor access allows team members to create, modify, and organize tasks, making it ideal for active contributors involved in daily work. Commenter access is better suited for stakeholders who only need to provide feedback or leave comments without making structural changes. Viewer access is read-only, which works well for people who simply need visibility into project progress. After selecting the appropriate permission level, move to the Invite field and enter the email address of the teammate you want to add. Double-check the address carefully to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Once everything looks correct, click Invite. Your teammate will receive an invitation, allowing them to join the project with the permissions you selected. After collaborators join the project, begin assigning work to keep responsibilities clear. Open a task, locate the Assignee field, and select the appropriate teammate from the drop-down list. Assigning tasks properly helps improve accountability, keeps notifications organized, and ensures everyone understands their responsibilities from the start. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.